Hey, let's see if you remember how to play the strings of the ukulele. Check out the letters and let's do it. Let's say the letters. G, C, E, A. And one more time. 1, 2, ready, go. G, C, E, A. Very good. Let's play the numbers as well. 4, 3, 2, 1. One more time. 4, 3, 2, 1. And now let's play the doggy. 1, 2, ready, go. My dog has fleas, 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 fleas. He's climbing trees, 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 trees. He wears a hat, 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 and loves a cat, cat. One more time, play with me. Use your thumb and open your fingers in here on the neck. 1, 2, ready, go. My dog has fleas, 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 fleas. He's climbing trees, 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 trees. He wears a hat, 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 and loves a cat, 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 cat. Yay, you did it! Clap, 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 clap. Yay! Let's play some strumming.